I'm going to show you now how to take the temporary tape off of the LED and actually do the final permanent stick-on. So this particular tape has a protective layer on the back. So you could just take a sharp or just a small object to grab that material. And don't touch it with your hands because we want it to stick really good. So put it down and then start pulling that material off. And as you are doing that, you can place it nice and firmly where you need to go. And then when you're all done with it, you could take the end of a ballpoint or a Sharpie pen with the hard plastic and just push down the corners because they'll stick up just a little bit more. And then after you get this done, if you take a hair dryer and you get this nice and warm right here, then it will stay stuck up there for a very long time. Thank you again for watching.